Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. Today I'm sharing with you Toys R Us at Macy's. So this Toys R Us at Macy's is located at Florida Mall. Macy's is not located at the Millennium Mall. So here you can see they have a very huge section dedicated to the toy section, and they have a lot of toys for both girls and boys. You can see they have Elsa and Anna dolls. They have some more dolls here. They have Barbies, they have cars, they have kitchen sets for little girls, they have games. So you can see how nicely they have organized everything. And good thing is that you can purchase here from your Macy's card and you can get a discount if applicable. So you can see they have these little unicorns, little dolls, little collectibles as well. They also have some Disney toys. You can see they have some cars here, they have some Barbies, some dolls, pink cars for both boys and girls. And it says here Geoffrey Toys R Us coming to Macy's. It's here already. So I was really impressed and very happy with this little section over here. So you can see that's Barbie section, and they have some outfits from Disney princesses, which is very cute. So they have every size of dolls available. They have mini dolls, they have medium size and large, and they also have character dolls from TV shows or from movies. So you can see I'm moving forward. So on the right they have some games and collectibles. On the left they have some stuffed toys, and they have a little toys for kids. And over here they have some fun activity items for kids. And on the back they have these little discovery mind blown. So they have these doctor set and different kinds of space toys. And here they have baby shark toys. So they have so many different things for baby shark activities, as everyone is a huge fan. Lightyear, which is a Disney Pixar movie, they have their toys which is at 20% off. They also have Batman, Spider-Man toys. They have water guns for kids. They have badminton for kids that comes with a shuttlecock. You can see there are so many nice things for both boys and girls. Here are the water guns, and kids were actually having a lot of fun. They were playing with the toys. So you can see these are the remote controlled cars for boys. So that section I was before was for girls, and now this section is dedicated to boys and little kids. So they also have some art activity toys for kids as well. And in the back they have clearance section for toys. So they do have some of the last act or clearance items for toys if you're interested in getting those. And now on this side they have some puzzles, some large fun games for kids. They also have some slides, some outdoor activity items for children as well. So you can see this place is huge. So they have dedicated one section to the toys, although they have a lot of other sections on this floor. So as I move on this side, they have toys for little kids. So you can see they have trucks here. They have baby Spider-Man toys. They also have little rattles for kids. They have beach activity toys for children. They have pianos, they have kitchen sets for little girls. So many things that I can't even name everything. They have so many nice things, and it's so convenient to have it at Macy's, because if you're buying and you're there for something, and you can just pick a toy for your kid, which I think is very convenient. You can see they even have toys from Cocomelon. They have toys from Nickelodeon. They have Blue's Clues dog, which I think I haven't seen in a long time. And I will show you the other side of baby shark items. So over here they have Paw Patrol toys as well. They have little cars for kids where they can sit and ride. So you can see their other side of the baby shark items. So you also have baby shark cups if your child is interested in baby shark. I think every kid is interested in baby shark, and they're a huge fan. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really wanted to share with you. I will share the other section in future videos. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.